How do you put this in? Really? Oh my. What is up, everyone? So today I got this package, and it's going to be an unboxing video of, ooh, that's some nice handwriting. Create more, create different. What is that? Is that more? Yeah, I think that's a more. Alright. Oh, that's kind of hard to get out. Alright, let's see this. Ooh, that's a nice looking box. Make inspiration reality. So I got this drawing tablet. So less of paperwork and more digital art. Alright. What does it say over here? These are the specs. And one thing I really love about this is the pressure sensitivity. It's 8,192 levels. So the harder you press down on the touch screen, the thicker it will be. And what else is there? There's 12 customized press keys and 16 customized soft keys, which is really cool. Okay, how am I going to take this off? I don't have my knife on me right now. I guess the old-fashioned nail on the sticker. Let's go. So guys, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Sorry if it's a bit, if the sound is a bit echoey. I'm doing this video right in front of my window, right against it as well. So yeah, once I get the sticker off, I'll be back. Finally. Ooh. Oh, I want to keep the stickers. They're really nice. Huion. Yep, this is the company with, that does really cool drawing tablets. Ooh, thank you for choosing Huion. That is it just a card? Okay. What's this? Thank you for choosing Huion. Our goal is for you to be 100% happy with your new Huion product. If you need any assistance, cool. Very nice. Alright. Let's put this to the side. And let's bring this out first. Let's see what is in there. Oh, okay, the pen holder. And if I'm not mistaken, I can open this up. Yep, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 8 more pen nibs. So if they go like, if they run out, I mean wear out, if they wear out, I can just pop a new one on. That's nice. And here we got the cable, USB cable. And here is the beautiful pen. Let's open this up. Oh my. Oh wow, this is really nice. That's a button up there, I think. There's a button. There's 2 buttons here. And then this is the nib. Is it going to focus? Yeah. That's so cool. This is, oh, it feels really nice to hold. And it's really easy to just press it as well. Yep. Okay, let's get on with the rest. The bad boy of the box. Let's go. Woo! This is nice. Oh, fingerprints. Oh. But over here, it's a bit of a grip here. Like, let me try this. No way. That feels really nice. And then you got the little soft touches over here, and you got the ring, another button over here. Quite a lot of buttons, so you can map them to any like copy paste, control, what's it called, back and forward, whatever you want. That is really cool. And here we got the cable. Which one is that? Yeah, USB cable. I would have loved it if it was USB-C, but It's alright. And here we have, oh yeah, let me try this. Put this in there. See, that's it. Is that how we put it in? Or is this how we put it in? I think that's it. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, I'm doing it wrong. I think I'm doing it wrong. How do you put this in? Really? Oh my god, I just dropped my pen. No, wait. Okay, I'll look at this later. Here we have the glove, so as not to touch the oh, that fits really well. I thought it might not fit, but it fits really well. So like when I'm drawing, my palm won't affect it, and it'll be like this. Okay, this glove does feel really good though. I don't know, does it feel tight? I don't think so. Maybe it could do with just like a millimeter bigger, but oh, they did give a USB-C cable. Nice. USB-C cable and extra USB cable. Perfect. Adapter, I mean. And here we have what is this? The manual. That's it for the unboxing, I guess. This Huion tablet was really cheap. It was £55 from Amazon, and it had really good reviews from a lot of professional artists as well. So it's just up to me to make really good media. Guys, I'll be starting animation and digital art, so please subscribe on my YouTube channel and give it a like on this video, and check out my other videos. I have Minecraft videos, I have some drawing videos, and yeah, I think that's all. We'll wrap it up here. Thank you for watching. I hope the sound wasn't too bad, and thank you. Peace out.
That's what